So, is that true?
That's very true.
Is it true, Joanne?
You're an idiot.
Tesla doing a river crossing. Look at that. It's really nice. Joe's looking for crocodiles on the other side.
Making your dirty movies, Graham. Oh.
You were talking about backing up and making movies. Stopping halfway through. And there's no point.
We've just cut across from Charters Towers
To the Bruce Highway.
to the Bruce Highway, and now we're heading to Ayr.
Burdekin Bridge.
Queensland now.
Yeah, the sugarcane.
The sugarcane.
There's a sugarcane mill.
Well, we're in Bowen, and we found the ocean.
Apparently that's the jetty where they filmed the movie Australia. Let's go and check out Flagstaff.
Now we're going to Proserpine.
Yay! There's the big mango. So we're heading out to the Proserpine Dam. We've got our tour guide, and that's my sister Annette. Say hi, Annette.
I'm going to say hi, Annette. I'm going to say hi to myself. But hi, everyone.
Yeah, hi. And we're actually staying at Annette's place at the moment because all of the caravan parks absolutely booked out. Well, we'd stay with her anyway. But yeah, it's pretty busy here in Proserpine. It's been raining for the last couple of days. A bit of sunshine out here at the moment, so yeah, we should have a bit of a look around while we're here for a couple of days, a few days, a week, forever. So we're at the Proserpine Dam camping ground. It's $8 a night per adult, 4 for kids, families 20 per week, 56, 28, and 140. Let's check it out.
Toilets,
Yeah.
kiosk.
Got a kiosk, first aid.
Looks like you just camp wherever you want.
So it'd be really easy just to leave your van here and go into Proserpine and Conway Beach on day trips.
That's how far? 20 kilometres?
How far out is it?
20k.
20k? That's not far. Found the windiest part of Proserpine. We've got the weir wall here, and apparently Annette reckons there's crocodiles in here, and somebody actually brought them up here because the crocodiles could not get up through there. Like, you can see them legging up a bit, but they just this big nose coming over the end there, but they keep on pushing them back over, and yeah, so is that true?
That's very true.
Is it true, Joanne?
You're an idiot.
It's a Tesla. I'm not short the battery.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't go if I was there.
No.
She might be backing up, is she?
Oh, no, 11. Tesla doing a river crossing. Look at that. It's really nice. So what's the name of this river, Annette?
Creek.
What's
Creek.
the name of this creek, Annette?
Yep, something creek.
Something creek? Do
I
they
think
have,
it's Palm Creek, actually. Look at that. Well, let's see. I think it's Palm Creek. Let's go with Palm Creek.
do they have, it could be Sugarcane Creek because of the sugar
No, it's
cane.
Palm. I'll
So,
go with Palm.
so do they have crocodiles in that creek?
Absolutely.
They do. The sign said.
And when was the last time you saw one in there, Annette?
The other day. If we go back, I reckon we might see one.
Okay, well that's good. Well, hopefully Annette's right. She's doing a really good job with our tourist guide. She should actually open up a tourist business here. So this is a popular place just out of Proserpine. And what's this called?
Cedar Creek Falls.
Cedar Creek. I can see it. It's Cedar Creek Falls. So this is the Conway Beach boat ramp, and I have it on good advice that this was actually built so that people could get in and out of their boats without being bitten by crocodiles. But now and then you can actually see crocodiles basking in the sun down there. You can actually see some water there, so I'd say there was probably one there this morning. This man here, he's only got, he's got his 2 legs, so he's right. But if he was unlucky, he'd be crawling up there with no feet. Joe's looking for crocodiles on the other side. Can you see?
Oh, I can see one.
Really?
No, it's a stump.
It could be a stumpy.
Stumpy toe.
Stumpy. So what's over this beach, Annette?
Conway Beach.
Conway Beach, and what river flows into it?
River.
The Proserpine. Mouth of the Proserpine River, known as the Proser River. Holiday shacks.
It's right there.
These kids are really small. So this is the diner, and you've got really comfy seats. Good coffee. We've actually got a bit of a car here. And we've got Elvis, Marilyn, and lots of nicky napkins here. Oh, that's me. See, this lady even made sure I got my hat back. Thank you. So we've got petrol and diesel here. It's a pretty good price. We've got a crocodile here. And we've got a couple of old crocs over there. And then there's lots of outside eating and stuff there. But the caravan park looks pretty flash and clean. And all of the en-suites are all different colours. That's pretty cool. Can I get 3 of you crocs together? There you go. So what have we got here?
There's a jumping pillow.
Yes.
It's a nice little park. It's got
Nice looking
multicoloured
pool.
cabins that go in with the decor. It's really quite
Actually,
cute.
it's got a little wet play area there.
Barbecues,
Yeah.
swimming pool. What?
What was that in it? What are you saying? No, have your say. Come on, what did you say?
Stop it.
Oh, here's Annette's favourite place. The dump point. There we go. You want to get dumped here, Annette?
It's a fish cleaning station.
Beach Express. The Proserpine Memorial Heated Swimming Pool, and it's right next to Caravan Park, that by the way is full, and a dump point, so you can actually do all 3 things at the same time and have a swim. So that's what we're going to do today, have a swim. And there's something special about this pool, I'll let you know soon. Okay, so this is the Proserpine Heated Pool, memorial pool, and I've got Talia here, and she's run away. No, she's done a runner. No, here she's come back again. So tell us about this pool. How much does it cost to swim here?
It is free.
It is free. What, for everybody?
Free for everybody.
Oh wow, that's
Free
pretty
for
cool.
all.
Yes, and it looks like it looks like a great pool. So how much? What's the temperature?
Today we're sitting at 27.7.
Oh, that's pretty warm. I reckon that.
Nice and heated.
Yeah, that's good. And what are your opening hours?
5:30 in the morning till 6.
5:30. Oh wow.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Okie doke. So you're right next to the caravan park, so you probably have a few people coming
We
in.
have lots of people from the caravan.
But I believe there's something here for the kids too. So what have we got over here?
We have a nice water park for the kids.
Okie doke. So when you get a few kids, you'll actually turn that on.
We will turn that on.
That's good. And you've got some good shade sails here. So do you have sun in Proserpine? We've noticed, look up here, it's pretty cold and wet.
We have a lot of
Yeah,
sun in
so
Proserpine.
we've actually come all this way from Victoria to get here and actually have some sunshine. And
And you picked a nice
well, if I stand under that, it looks blue like the blue sky, so maybe that'll work.
It is.
Okay.
Still a lovely warm day though.
It is a nice warm day, especially to be away from cold Bendigo. I think it's like -3 last night in Bendigo. But thank you very much.
Thank
And we're going to have a swim.
You're going to have a swim, enjoy.
Okay, thank you. It's a pretty cool water park. I need one of these on my caravan so I can generate some power. Who needs to go to Ballara Station? We've got our own buckets here. Whoa, watch it. Here we go, here we go. Yay! Woohoo! Look at that. That was pretty cool. Just got to convince Joey to go and get changed after a swim, stand up there, and then we'll let the bucket go onto it. How about that? So this is what I have to contend with, like a man who goes out trying to film every day to make a living, and then you
We're
have...
talking about making a dirty movie, Graham. Oh, you were talking about backing up and making movies, stopping halfway through. And there's no fire on there. Oh, Mr. Finger
Are these your friends in there?
Oh, she prays. They are the 3 best friends.
Wow, straight down to the beach, look at that. So this is Cape Gloucester Resort, and what a mint place this is. The views out here, it's a bit wet today, you get a free shower if you come along here, but they've got boat moorings here. You can come along here and have a wedding, and it's actually a free wedding. You don't have to, unless you actually book the whole place, you'll have to pay, but if you just come along here and get married and leave the bar open, it's all good. Swimming pools, accommodation, and I'll tell you what, the best food. It's just been fantastic. And you've even got a volleyball net over there to have a bit of a go. So really good menu here. We had the grilled coral trout, and I'll tell you what, that was special. But the other girls had Thai beef salad, and that was really nice too. So heaps of choices and yummo food. Really good bar. Heaps of drinks. Really friendly staff.
Should get a thing of the
What?
of the pool.
Are you pointing at me? I'll have to blip that out. I'll make it fuzzy. Okay.
Saltwater pool.
Oh, saltwater pool. Oh, it's even got a lap area too. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's a nice pool. So I've actually got some accommodation here. Got the deck with your barbecues. Look how close to the beach you are here. Wouldn't mind staying here. Just imagine staying here with that view. Now that is a view. So you've got Gloucester Island over there. These are the cleaners. They've just come to clean, and they're from. There's a nice view. I need to get my camera too. And they're from Reality.
Analysis.
So there it is.
And the other one's called Fred.
It's a squirrel. So you can actually come in by helicopter if you like. The girls, the cleaners come in. Annette.
Oh, my ride, gotta go.
So they actually cater for everyone here. We've got wheelchair access to the beach.
What are you doing, Graham?
I'm helping my sister get some more response on her YouTube channel.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, she's having trouble. She's Nellie's Nellie, my sister's reality, and she just needs some help. But there she is.
Put your finger up her nose.
So this is the Prosi Kebab and Pizza shop right in the main street of Proserpine. And you know when you find a really good shop when they're actually playing your YouTube videos on here. And so what was your name?
Lisa.
Okay, and tell me, you've got pizzas here. What else do you cook here?
Kebabs.
Kebabs, yes. Yep.
Goslimis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what are your hours of business?
10 till 8.
Okay, is that every night?
Day,
Every
7 days
day?
a week.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Okay. Well, we've just bought some here, so we're just going to go home and eat them, and I'm sure they're going to be really yummy.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Cheers.
Thank
Bye.
you.
So when you did your driving test, did you have to do a 3-point turn?
Yeah.
How'd you go?
You try and turn this tank around on a bloody 5-cent coin.
You've had years to practice. Excuses don't count here.